How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. This is the iPad mini 6th generation, brand new 2021 release. And this is the purple variation in which we're gonna go ahead and unbox. You can see it does have the purple iPad mini writing on the side of it, on both sides right there. And then also we've got the Apple logo in purple. This is a 64 gigabyte cellular edition right here. So 64 gigabyte iPad mini 6th generation Wi-Fi and cellular. And so the cellular one will have the antennas on them. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing for it. So we're gonna go ahead and just grab that little tab right there. And interestingly enough, we do have plastic wrapping on the iPads, but the new iPhones do not have plastic. So Apple is trying to get away from this plastic waste right here. So maybe in the next generation iPads, we'll see no more of this. But for now, these iPads do have it. All right, let's go ahead and let's see, what do we have? Do we have anything else holding the back? No, we don't. All right, so let's go ahead and pop it open right here. We're gonna shake it a little bit. There we go. We'll take that casing off, and we have the iPad just sitting right here. We're gonna actually just put the iPad down for a second. We're gonna just take a quick look at the contents inside of the box here first. And so we'll take a look right here. So we do have the Apple charger right here. I believe it's a 20-watt charger, and so it's gonna charge your iPad quite fast. And if you use the same brick for your new iPhone, that would be super handy as well. You can use the USB-C port and plug it in for the USB-C to the Lightning adapter. But this one is not Lightning. It is USB-C to USB-C right here. So we'll actually take these out right here so you can go ahead and see those right there. There we go, USB-C to USB-C. So we've got the Apple stickers, just the plain white ones, no colored Apple stickers or anything like that. Some of the older devices did come with colored ones, but they're back to just the plain white stickers. iPad mini instruction booklets, all that good stuff, which we're never gonna read. And then we have the SIM card ejector tool. So if you got the cellular version, you'll have this. If you didn't get a cellular version, you will not have this in the box because there's no need to put a SIM card into it. All right, let's go ahead and take our first look at the purple iPad mini. We've got this nice little recycled paper right here on here. So we don't have any plastic on the actual iPad itself, but we go ahead and remove that, and we'll go ahead and remove the bottom piece, and we'll pull the iPad out. And oh my gosh, I love it so far. I love the squared off look to it. It's definitely small. It's definitely, I don't know, like, would I say it's smaller than I thought it would be? No, not really. It's obviously an iPad mini, so it's going to be quite tiny. We go ahead, we'll look at that nice purple backing on there. Look at that color just shine in my light right there. Looking absolutely gorgeous. The purple definitely does look excellent. I definitely like it. If you look at the bottom right here, so if you see all these little lines right here, those are actually the antennas for your iPad. So if you have the cellular version, that's what you're gonna have, but you won't have that on just the standard Wi-Fi edition. Speakers on the bottom, USB-C, and speakers on the top as well. And of course, now that we have the Apple Pencil support, we can slap on an Apple Pencil just on the side of it magnetically. So they have moved all the buttons to the top. So the volume up and down button, as well as your lock on and off switch. And this one also does have the fingerprint scanner inside of there, which is super, super handy. And a quick side-by-side comparison to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the brand new Pro Max. You can see it's got that same type of aluminum look to it, the matte finish aluminum look, and this one's just all aluminum there. The siding on the Pro Max, though, does have that chrome, whereas the siding on here is the nice matte finish, which I actually prefer the matte finish to the full device right here. So even the regular iPhone 13 does have the glossy on the back, but the iPads with that nice matte finish all around, the nice aluminum look to it, it's very, very good. So super, super liking it. I can't wait to turn it on and set it up. But that is your complete unboxing of the brand new 6th generation iPad mini. If you like this, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.